So I'm going to show you how to run two WhatsApp accounts on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now you can have two WhatsApp accounts running concurrently if you use a feature in Samsung phones and tablets. So you can see I already have one one WhatsApp account set up. So now if I go into settings and then under settings, go to advanced features here, and then go to dual messenger, I actually have the option to clone some of the apps, and WhatsApp should be one of the apps. So if you have WhatsApp installed, you can be able to turn that on and then confirm, install, and that's going to install and set up another copy of the WhatsApp application. And you can do this for several apps, and all the apps you can do this on are going to be listed here. So now that you've done that, you'll notice now when you go to the app screen, I have this original WhatsApp and the cloned version of WhatsApp. So this has one account, and then this other one I can set up as a brand new account. Thanks for watching and good luck.